Hi friends, welcome to Load of Crocs 2-Minute Makes. This is a series that is dedicated to providing you with videos that are 2 minutes or less that show you how to do something, anything, crockpot or otherwise. In this edition of 2-Minute Makes, I'm going to be showing you how to put together a jar salad so that you can have salads made ahead of time and ready to go.
I'll be doing a caprese, including tomatoes, balsamic vinaigrette, mozzarella, and I'll be using spinach leaves. For these salads, you always want to start with the dressing on the bottom of a cylinder, container, or a glass jar. So I'll pour in first the balsamic vinaigrette. And then following this, you want to add any ingredients that are okay getting soaked in dressing, like tomatoes or other vegetables, onions, peppers, etc. After this, ingredients that are okay getting a little bit wet but not too soggy, which for me will be the mozzarella cheese. And then following any of the ingredients that are okay getting a little to no soggy, you add your leafy greens. Once everything is in, you have two options when you're ready to eat. You can either shake it up and eat it right out of the container that you made it in. Otherwise, if you pour it into a bowl or on a plate, it will naturally mix itself and your salad will be ready.
Super simple way to have salads at the ready. In the description below, I've included the simple caprese salad that I just showed you, along with a couple other recipes for you to consider as you start making your jar salads. I've also included the flow of ingredients for the jar, starting with your salad dressing and working your way up to the lettuce. And the hope is now, any day when you open the fridge and normally would say, what am I going to make for lunch today? Now you're going to say, which salad am I going to take for lunch today? Thanks for joining me at Load of Crocs 2-Minute Makes.